the Angeles National Forest. Doing some exploring here with the boys. Got Mateo, my brother there. We're in Los Angeles County. Definitely a hot spot for a lot of things. And we're in a few miles from the trail, main head trail. Got this beautiful little waterfall. And yeah, we'll see if we find anything else on the road here. Might hike in a few more miles and see what else is out there. Hope everyone's doing well. It's been a while since I've done a vid. I believe the elevations around here peak at about 5,000 feet. It was an overcast morning, but the sun broke through and breaking some sweat here. Feeling good. We might stop and take a lunch here in a bit, rehydrate, and back to it.